We're having our Halloween geode cutting party tonight here over in the Rock Lab, so let's go see. The one you want?
Yeah.
Do you think it's nice and light?
I don't know. You told me it was.
So hopefully it's hollow inside. You can find some crystals. All right, you ready?
You seriously brought your...
Yeah. Whoa! Look at that!
You're doing
You got some awesome sulfides in there.
That's pretty.
Whoa! Look at this one.
I did that one.
Whoa!
Oh, nice.
What's in there?
I see that.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's got a that's a beautiful crystal in there.
I think those are sulfides in there. Do you? Dark metallic color in there?
Oh yeah. It is. You're right. That could be. It could be lots of possibilities. It's a sulfide.
But it's like coated. It's like surrounded by something clear.
Yeah, and well, this right here. See that right there?
Yeah.
That's
There's some of it right here.
yeah. So that is that. Whatever it is, it looks like. Is it quartz? It's a calcite.
Guys, I should sell this for $1 million. It looks gold.
I know. You got like a metallic looking color in there.
Yeah, right here.
Yeah, that's a sulfide mineral.
It's like tiny little beads of connected.
Right, and that's uncommon in geodes. Normally you just get quartz and calcite, but this has something sulfide in it. What is that?
I don't know.
That is weird.
What the heck?
Wow.
What'd you do?
Look at this one.
Oh wow! Very nice.
What is it?
Very nice. Very nice.
You want to tell us what it is?
I think it's a geode.
So another successful, enthusiastic geode cutting party. We had some nice ones like this. Nice agate with crystals on the inside, mostly quartz. Had a few kind of darker looking. Some of them almost look like amethyst or maybe even a smoky quartz. This one is nice and purple. Nice purple quartz grains on the inside. That's a jawbreaker. Here's a big one. Nice large one there. This one is a real find. This one has little needles of millerite crystals in it, which is a nickel sulfide. And it's got a very large sulfide on this half. Very large crystal in there, which appears to be coated by something clear, maybe calcite. Some are nearly full, don't have much of a hole in them, but you can see nice agate bands followed by quartz crystals inside. This one has lots of quartz crystals on the inside. This one I cut. Nice blue agate bands with little quartz crystals on the inside. So overall, another good geode cutting party in the books.